The Russian olive, it's an invasive species. Montana classifies it as a noxious weed. And so we're coming in here trying to get it all out. Coming in here cutting it with chainsaws, and then we're spraying it with the chemical.
Fire crews from the Billings field office are removing invasive Russian olive trees for a multifaceted effort. The project restores native plant communities along the Yellowstone River, continues hazardous fuel reduction work due to the plant's abundance, while promoting recreation opportunities.
But in some small areas, we can make a difference, such as the College Park area of Sundance. We can remove those areas in the hopes that then native plants can then be reestablished.
Once we cut that Russian olive, we spray it with this chemical, but we got to spray that within around 10 minutes of us cutting the stump to keep that Russian olive from sending out sprouts to come up, more saplings to come up, and we don't want that.
Well, if anyone has ever traveled through an area that has Russian olive, it can grow in very dense areas. They might start off sparsely distributed, but once they start taking over the vegetation, they become very dense, and it's very difficult to travel through. So because of the spines on the plants, it's very difficult for deer to move through there and other large animals. But it's also very difficult for people to move through that area. So because College Park is a new area, we're going to be developing it for more recreational opportunities. Removing the Russian olives in that area will enhance the visitor experience, by being able to travel through that area a little more easily. I think it shows the public that we're actively trying to improve public land by removing Russian olives.
Fuels reduction and invasive species removal projects have contributed to the nearly 5,740 acres of public land BLM Montana-Dakotas has treated so far this year in support of wildfire preparation, improving wildlife habitat, and recreation opportunities.
It's an education opportunity for us to tell people that may not know that Russian olives are invasive, and this is the reason why we're removing them.